Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Begin by opening Play Store app. Now click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now you need to get this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now from it you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!